What's up, YouTube? We're heading to the Freedom Factory. Got the Pizza Planet behind me, built by my buddy Casey Ladd. I'm going to show you a little bit about it. Definitely not the same vehicle it was. Rocking a blown big block Chevy. Nice little bug catcher in there. We're about to drive 18 hours down to Florida from Missouri and hopefully have a pretty good time. Hey, look, Bradenton. There's Casey. Heck yeah.
Chris, get the Durango.
Awesome. Easy peasy. Yeah.
Yeah!
Easy.
I love it. We gotta add tow vehicle now to Klaus as well.
On the long list of jobs for that car.
We're about to put Clayton's girls towing out of it. Can't wait to see the truck rim.
Yeah,
This
dude.
turnout looks good.
Yeah, she gets it. It's 480s in the back or 488s.
Woo!
So that kind of sucks, but I got the torque and all that. It never, like, you can't bog it down at all. So she'll get there. But 373s next year for sure.
Oh yeah, it's gonna spin.
Yeah, I'm gonna put a quick performance underneath a narrow 9-inch and do it upright.
That's what we need to do on your truck. Real
Yeah.
quick.
Coming at you live here from the Freedom Factory. We're actually in the side parking coming in. Got the Pizza Planet staged up. She's changed a little bit since you guys last saw her. Thanks to my boy Casey Ladd. She now has a blown big block Chevy in it. I think we saw like 9 pounds the other day on boost. It gets down pretty dirty. Lots been done to it. The paint job's been finished and the rocket's on top of it. It lights up at night. Got a nice hood scoop. But do a little start for you. And then we're gonna go buy a scooter off Marketplace because I'm not walking tomorrow or the next day. All right, found a scooter. We're heading to go get it. It's pretty cheap. I like it. I like it here. Here's the scooter. But guys, stay tuned. We're gonna have a pretty big day tomorrow, and we'll make some pretty good content. Gonna go say hi to a bunch of YouTube buddies, and we'll have some fun.